Hello guys, welcome back to Appendices Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called a revealer. So what is this a revealer? So revealer is a professional Go-based CLI tool uncovering the real origin IP address of the website behind the content directory networks, such as like a Cloudflare, Akamai, Fastly, Impriva, and AWS CloudFront. So it combines a passive reconnaissance, heuristic analysis, and optional active verifications to provide a comprehensiveness of reports in JSON and HTML reports. So what are the main features we can get here? The main features we can get here, it can detect the CDN provides automatically, collects the DNS records, AA records, MX records, and reverse DNS, and extract the SSL subject like a alternative names like a sans and etc. things. Integrates with optional external tools like Subfinder, AMOS, DNSX, HTTPX, and Nuclei also. So it can filters the CDN IP range to isolate the real origin candidates. So also it can get a active verification engine, compares a status codes and extract the page title, matches a server header, validate the content of hash, either like SHA-256 or which type of algorithms they use, like a ROT13 or XYZ things. Generate a detailed JSON plus HTML reports. And user can selectively enable or disable tools or run a default mode. All tools supports a custom word list. Uh, Also, like you can use a sec list, otherwise a default. What else you have a word list in kernel Linux or Parrot OS, otherwise uh, black box, whichever you use. So we would like to try to run this. So let's just try to open this. Uh, Let me open the terminal. So let me just try to copy it. So this is a revealer. Now just try to come back here. We just type here as a git clone and paste this repository. Now we would like to go for here as revealer. Now just type plus minus a. Now we would like to go here as go build. We would like to go here as a script dot go. Now it will try to build everything. We would like to wait for this. So it may take a little bit lengthy time process. So we would like to try to do here. Let me I just open a new terminal. Let me just type here as plus minus l. It's taking a lengthy time process to get back here. Now let me just try here. Then let's just type. So here automatically have. We would like to try here as minus minus help. So it says a command not found. So why like this as a command not found? We would like to try to come back here. So this is done now. Now we would like to try to go here as now go run a script.go. Yes, I have got it here, a script.go. So the revealer it came here, revealer. Now we would like to try to continue now. So you want to utilize a active scanning or passive scanning, is possible. So we can also utilize here a lot. Now we would like to utilize this. Now let me just come back here. Now let me just type here plus minus L. So we just utilize this. Also try here. No, it not found. Now we would like to try here. Now we would like to go back here. I would like to utilize here as minus D as a domain. Now I would like to use as a airasia.com. Now it will getting all the informations about with the submass, subfinder, AMAS, or etc. things. Now we would like to try to find all those things here now. So it will do the active reconnaissance as well as the passive reconnaissance also here. So we would like to wait here. Now we would like to try to run as another thing from here. We would like to look from here. Now let me just type here as clear. Now go to a revealer. Now I would like to try. Here is a something like let's consider. I would like to utilize here as a cloudflare.com. That's it. We would like to go here. Now, what are the results we are going to accepting from here? So this may take a lengthy time process. So we just need to wait for this. So it will get a passive and active reconnaissance also here. So we would like to wait for this here. So we don't have any type of default checklist list here. So we just need to put here a default checklist. So you can see here a nucleus is not installed, a passive source for crt.sh. So where we are getting somewhat a results. So Syrians which is unknown. So it may take a little bit lengthy time process to get all the informations here. Now save the JSON results with the JSON here as an HTML report where you can look here. Results with the AirAsia results.html. Now This also may take a lengthy time process here. Now, let we would like to look here, list minus here. Now, we have a results folder here. Now, we would like to look in the results folder, list minus here, results. So, where I have got here the results is the aratio.com as well as uh, cloudflare.com. Now, we would like to try to go here. Is let me. We would like to go to here as a results. Now, let's just type here as list minus a. Let me would like to go to here as aratio.com. Now, let me just type here as list minus a. So, ms.log results.html. Let me would like to open with the folder. Then, we will get a clarity from here. Let me, where is this revealer? Let's just go to here as results aratio.com. Now, a results dot open with the Firefox. Let you can look from here. What's the results? CDN bypass report. Passive real IP address. So we have find the real targeted IP address from here. You can look here as well as the real password. Current CDN. So this is from the AWS Amazon. So quite interesting way to identify this one. That's it here. So you have got subfinder is not installed. So where we have getting all the information results here. AMAS error for timeout, DNS, HTTPX is skipped, Nucleus is not installed. So if you install, you can get a lot of results from here. That's it. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.